Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are doing well and enjoying as well. Okay ji, so we have to do in our class is the question number 12, okay, which is your last question of the exercise. Suppose this is the topic which we don't need to do. Let's start with the question. In question number 12, the box and vector diagram for three sets of data x, y and z are shown below. This is x, this is y and this is z. Okay. Now what they are asking from you, you have to see the histograms below A, B and C show the frequency distribution for the three sets of data. These are the three data and their corresponding box vector diagram. Okay, this is data 1, 2 and 3, and you can easily judge what this box vector diagram represents, what this represents and what x is represented. So now you have to look at the below histogram, which is your histogram A, this is your histogram B and this is your histogram C. What you have to do, you have to match each of the three data sets to their respective histograms and you have to justify your answer. It means you have to tell that the data x is belong to frequency graph A, B or C, okay, which matches to which histogram. Now look at your frequency diagram of A. You see all the histogram data is the bars are of equal length, okay, no up and down. So you have to look at the data. This box vector diagram shows that there is the equal distribution of the data, okay, no up and down. So in the data x, this diagram, in diagram x, you see that the median is other side and the upper and lower quartiles are distance is different. So x is not. Okay. Now come to y. Y is your data in which you can see your median is this, your upper and lower quartiles are this, and your distance from the data, from the range of the data, from the minimum value to maximum value is similar. The distance from here to here and from distance from here to here are equal. It means that these are y. This is representing the frequency diagram A. Because vectors are of equal length and median is at center point, so this is the y. This histogram is of data y. Now come to the frequency diagram B. This we are going to see is matching with the this diagram matches with the frequency with the data x, because the median is some other way and the upper quartiles and lower quartiles are ups and downs. There is the large distance, this is the smaller distance. So this is your median, which is the highest value, and this is your values, which is the lower quartile, this is the upper quartile. Upper quartiles are high and lower quartiles are lower. So this is your value of x. As in x, lower vector is much longer, many more shorter bars are on left side. You have to justify your answer. You can give reason what you want to. Okay, moving towards the histogram 3, histogram C. Histogram C is going with the data, I must say, which only left is the data Z, because the median is the middle value. This is the median middle value, but you can see that both the upper quartiles and lower quartiles are at the different distance from this value and from this value. Not they are looking exactly the middle value. If you say this is your median, then this is your total other values in which you have to find the middle value. Okay, अगर आपका डेटा का जो मीडियन है वो ये है, ठीक है, दिस इज योर मीडियन, दिस सेंटर वैल्यू. So now you have to divide the other half and the upper half or lower half and check the middle value again. This is your total line which I have drawn with the pencil. Sorry, I have to move the book downward and do it again. Now look at the data Z which only left. So the frequency diagram of C, histogram of C is of data Z. How? Now let's check it. This is the middle value. Okay, if this is the middle value of the total data, the data left this upper half and this lower half. Now you have to check again the middle value of this data. The middle value of this data will come somewhere this place, but here this shows the upper quartile and lower quartiles at this place and this place. Here it also comes at here place at some place. It's just I'm judging it because you know upper quartiles and lower quartiles are your middle value. So if you find out your median, which is this, now you have to check other middle values. This comes here and this comes here, but the diagram shows that upper and lower quartiles are here and here. So it becomes corresponding to the histogram C, which is the middle value, which is highest, and the upper and lower quartiles Q1 and Q3 are correspondingly bars are moving down steps, or you can say of shorter length. So you can write it. Box of Z is short with median at center, indicating distribution is concentrated at the center. You have seen this is belonging to the diagram Z, data Z, and you will also say it is a symmetrical distribution. Okay, so this is your, but it was the equal distribution of the data. How much let's suppose move towards the frequency figure A and correspondingly to the Y. In Y you have seen this is your middle value, median, and the remaining data from here to here. The midpoint is coming here again. This is your median. This is your judgment by looking into it. So these are just equally median middle values. Exactly. So this is your frequency distribution corresponding to their given X, Y and Z data. Hope so you will understand, you will get my point. And your homework or your written work which I want to check is complete exercise 4C, and your homework is done. I hope so. I have already checked. Yes, I have checked it and you all have done it. Do question number 12 on book. It's not compulsory to do it on your copies. The next thing is which I am going to do, and I want to share your opinion as well with me. I have given you the presentation and I want the presentation on the Zoom meeting class from all of you, so you can present it to me. Not necessary to on your camera, to on your videos, to show me your faces. You just need to open it and you have to turn the camera on the book, not on your face. So it is not as such thing, and I hope so you all will cooperate with me. If you cooperate, then our chapter will done more successfully, and then we have to move to our next chapter, which is mensuration. So let me know about it, what you want to. I think so you all must be comfortable. It's not just something like that, but if you insist that you don't want Zoom meeting class, so we postponed our presentation until school reopens. But I hope so that you will give me positive response. Thank you. Enjoy and do math practice as well. Okay.